wag kang tatamarin sa sarili mo kahit may boyfriend ka na, mag-ayos ka pa din, magpaganda ka pa rin, maligo ka pa rin araw-araw. No, alam ko, kapag may boyfriend ka na, sasabihan ka ng boyfriend mo na, ang ganda mo pa rin, babe, kahit na wala kang ligo, kahit na ang t-shirt ka lang for 2 weeks. No, huwag niyo kong aalaw yan, okay? Do not allow that. Do not allow yourself na, okay lang kay pumangit ako kasi may nakakagusto pa rin sa akin. Okay? So, I'll teach you how to maintain your beauty, your achievements, your academics, your finances, while also be in a healthy relationship, girls, okay? If you want to know all about it, here we go. Alam mo, girl, I know, masaya na merong boyfriend na nagko-compliment sa'yo na ang ganda mo pa din, kahit wala kang makeup, kahit wala kang ayos. It's every girl's dream to have that, honestly. But, hindi ibig sabihin nun hindi ka na maliligo. Okay? So, what's the trick on staying beautiful, staying academically good, staying financially good when you are already in a healthy relationship? Now, what it means is, you will take for your time for yourself para magpaganda ka. So, it means, every day, alam ko sa inyo, hindi kayo naliligo, but every day, itatry mong maligo. And not just quickly go, a deep, deep bath if you've been struggling. And every day, itatry mo ayusin yung hair mo, mag-blower ka, put some heat protectant siya, tas mag-blower ka. Make sure it's nice and beautiful. Hindi mo papabayaan yung self mo na pagkaligo, t-shirt, shorts, okay na, chill na ako, darating yung boyfriend ko. No. Take it nice and slow. At ang skin mo, hindi pwedeng pababayaan mo yan, okay? Hindi porke na tingin ng boyfriend mo na kahit may pimples ka, okay? No, no, no. Morning and night, twice a day. May sunscreen ka, may moisturizer ka sa gabi. Hindi yung pagkatapos mo maligo, higa na ako, matutulog na ako. No, no, no. You don't allow yourself to be like that because basically, binababaan mo yung standards mo because may nagpa-validate na sa'yo, which is an important one. Pero you know kung sino dapat nagpa-validate sa'yo? It's you. Pag nilahaya ka lumabas, mag-date ng boyfriend mo. Ano nga, suot mo? T-shirt? Flip-flops? Hindi ka na nagme-makeup? Ayaw mo mag-makeup? Ayaw mo mag-hair? Ayaw mo mag-skincare? Ayaw mo mag-perfume? You stop that. Remove your phone. Palis mo yung boyfriend mo. Mag-ayos ka, look in the mirror. Maglagay ka ng magandang clips. Maglagay ka ng blush on, ng BB cream. Mag-put ka ng lip tint. Hindi yung okay lang, maganda naman ako kahit na lumabas akong gusgusin sa mall. Basta kasama ko boyfriend ko, I'm okay. No! Turn yung iniisip nyo when it comes to boys. Hindi porket pwede na kayong umasa dyan sa boyfriend mo or sa asawa mo, isaasa ka na 100%. Still pursue your dreams. Gusto mo mag-master's degree, tapos hindi mo tinuloy. Bakit? Kasi married ka na or may boyfriend ka na? No! Ituloy mo yan. If willing siya supportan ka, bayaran niya yung tuition fee mo, bayaran niya yung education mo. That is the way how you can make the men provide for you is make sure they invest in you long term. Hindi yung bibilang ka na ng branded na bag, masaya ka na, girl. Think more than that. Think higher than that. Kung gusto mong mag-law school, kung gusto mong mag-doctor, pursue it. Gusto mong mag-international, magtrabaho abroad, then pursue it. Stop making it na, yung boyfriend ko, kaya naman niya yan i-provide eh. Okay? If it's good, and if he wants to support you, dapat susuportahan ka rin niya. That's a good boyfriend. Hindi yung hahayaan ka lang niyang mag-rot dito sa bahay na physically hindi ka gumagaling, mentally hindi ka tumatalino, and you don't allow yourself na 100% aasa sa boys, okay? I love you all, and please, don't make the same mistakes na ginagawa ng karamihan ng babae ngayon na nagpapahinga, chumichill, and hindi na nag-i-improve, okay? It's for you. And if ever na maging successful ka, kayo din naman makaka-benefit yan eh. Just don't make your wings smaller just because someone is making you so comfortable. Alright?